Today we're gonna build a day trading strategy using a really powerful and widely used indicator that uses volume to help predict trends. Additionally, this indicator is enhanced by the use of a machine learning algorithm. We will dive deep into the strategy and look for profitable backtest results. So, let's dive into it! Open the indicator session and type Volume Supertrend. And open this one, Volume Supertrend AI Expo by Zairman. By opening the documentation, you will see a lot of details here, but basically this indicator is built on the really famous supertrend, but in addition to the supertrend, it uses volume. The supertrend indicator is based on the price average and volatility. It typically involves calculation using the ATR and the multiplier factor, which help determine trend direction and reversal by plotting a line either above or below the price, depending on the prevailing market condition. But in addition to the supertrend, this powerful indicator uses volume, and it combines both supertrend and volume with a machine learning algorithm, specifically the k-nearest neighbors algorithm. You can read more details here in the documentation. By opening the Volume Supertrend AI, as you can see, we have a green line below the prices and we have a red line above the prices. Then we have a bullish start point and a bearish start point, so indicates the beginning of a potential upward trend or a downward trend. Our strategy is really simple. We will go long whenever there is this green point, and we will go short whenever we have this red point. As you can see, if we go in the style section of the Volume Trend AI, you will see that we have a bullish trend start and a bearish trend start. Today we will build a strategy using 3 different indicators, and we will combine them using our Strategy Builder, a powerful tool that allows us to build strategies without coding. Let's start by loading the needed indicators. We will use this Volume Supertrend AI, and we will use a modified version compatible with the Strategy Builder. You will find the source code in the Source Code Premium channel on Discord. Then we will use the ADX, the Average Directional Index. It will help us to catch volatility period, and then we will use a moving average as a confirmation, and we will take it from the moving averages pack, which is another premium indicator that combines different kind of moving averages from different time frames. So our first entry rule is that we enter in a long position whenever we have a green bullish point, and we enter in a short position whenever we have a red point, so a bearish starting point. Then we need the ADX to be above 20 level, both for long and short position, whereas our confirmation is based on moving averages, and we enter in a long position whenever the price is above the ALMA moving average based on 20 period, whereas we go short whenever the price is below the moving average. Let's build our strategy together. By opening our strategy builder, let me select both long and short position. The first rule is that we enter in a long position whenever we have a green point. So we set here price equal AI bullish trend start, whereas for short position, we set AI bearish trend start. As you can see, we enter in a long position here, green point, and we enter in a short position here, red point. Then we need to set the ADX rule. We apply one rule for long and one rule for short. We select here the ADX, and we want to be above 20 level. This will help us to avoid a low volatility period. And the same for short position. We select ADX, and we need to be greater than 20 value. And then the third and last rule, for a long position, the price must be above the moving average, whereas for short position we need the price to be below the moving average. That's fine. As you can see, in just 1 minute we have set a whole strategy based on 3 different rules. Let's check some trades on the chart. Here we have a green point, price is above the moving average, and the ADX is well above the 20 level, whereas here we have a short position, red point, price is below the moving average, and the ADX is above 20 level. Now we can set our exit rules. For a stop loss, we will set stop loss ATR, length 14 and multiplier of 3. Whereas for a take profit, we will exit based on a risk reward of 2. And that's it. So now the strategy is ready to backtest, and let's jump into backtest results. We are here on a Rune USDT 45 minutes time frame on Bybit exchange. We are going only short. Position size $10,000 with a fixed amount, 2x leverage and 0.06% commission. And as you can see guys, we have a really spectacular equity line. Monthly table shows absolutely good results. We have just 6 losing months, but the rest are absolutely mostly profitable. 442% net profit, we have 98 total close trades, 49 win rate, profit factor 2.05, 22.38 max drawdown, and 2.26% average trade. We have a risk reward of 2.14, expectancy 0.54, which is absolutely great. Net profit / drawdown is amazing, 8.78, which is an absolutely high value, and we are backtesting about 3 years of charts. Average win 17.93% and average loss 8.37%. Max win row 5, max loss row 4. Now we are backtesting on a fixed size, but if we want to see some crazy results, we can try to compound our profits using percentage of equity. And as you can see, the net profit is skyrocketed 2,825%, max drawdown 43.5%, which is not so good, but of course with this high net profit, you can expect a high max drawdown as well. Here we have degen numbers, as you can see max win trade 591% and the max loss trade 300%. So I will say that this strategy is absolutely good at catching the trend, because as you can see, when we have a clearly downtrend, we are going only short and we have an absolutely good winning streak. So I will be quite confident to say that this strategy is absolutely good at catching the trend. I want to remind you that you can get access to this strategy and other ready to use in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all the premium indicators.